how to make the text on your iPhone bigger or smaller. This quick tutorial will show you how to adjust the text size in just a few taps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Next, select Text Size. You'll see a slider at the bottom of the screen. Simply drag the slider to the right to make text larger, or move it to the left to make text smaller. As you adjust the slider, you'll see a preview of how the text size will look. Once you're happy with the size, the change is applied automatically. If you need even larger text, go back to Settings, tap Accessibility, then select Display and Text Size. From there, tap Larger Text and enable larger accessibility sizes. You can then use the slider to make text even bigger. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the text size on your iPhone, making it easier to read across supported apps and menus. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.